Hi, my name is Jose Jaime Vega, and my project oral is job interview simulation. Good morning. Welcome to Brickway Technology. Call your place. Introduce yourself. Good morning. My name is Jose Vega. I'm 22 years old. I'm studying business administration. I'm passionate about marketing and technology because I love how creative connect companies with people. Then great Jose. Where do you want to work with you? I want to work with Bridgeway because your company focuses on innovation and teamwork. I believe I can contribute with new marketing ideas and help improve your online presence. For example, do create social media camps. Interested. How do you think technology is changing your professional? Technology is transforming business completely. No marketing is just about TV ads, it's about social media, data and global communication. For example, companies use platforms like Instagram and TikTok to reach people everywhere. Tell me about a mistake that doubt you evaluate lesson on 11 during a university project is tried to do everything alone and it did go very well. 11 teamwork and communication are essential for success. No, now I always share ideas and listen to others. If you could change on think about industry, what it would it be? I would make marketing more honest and meaningful. Sometimes, but only in sales, but in this marketing should inspire people and create real value. Value. Why should we hear you? Because I'm creatively responsible and always eager to learn. It brings the energy and ideas and it motivates to grow with my company. Excellent, Jose. Thank you for your time. We'll be in touch soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.